modding Black Desert Online, or analyzing game assets from PAZ archives. These contain the game's graphics models and data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Black Desert Online game archive files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. A PAZ file is a compressed game data archive used by the MMORPG Black Desert Online. It bundles essential game assets like 3D models, textures, sounds, and scripts into a single package. Users typically encounter these files when installing, updating, or attempting to mod the game, often seeking to extract or repair game data. The PAZ format is a proprietary binary container, likely using a custom compression algorithm optimized for fast data streaming during gameplay. This design allows the game engine to efficiently load large amounts of assets from disk into memory, reducing load times and protecting game files from casual modification. The PAZ format has primary linkage to the Black Desert Online application by Perl Abyss. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows may detect the archive, but full unpacking must be done with decompression utilities. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the PAZ file and choose Open With. Start with Black Desert Online if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your PAZ file is not opening yet, that is normal. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, using BDO PAZ extractor. Download community-developed PAZ extraction tools like BDO File Decryptor or similar utilities from modding forums. Run the tool pointing to your Black Desert Online installation directory. The extractor decrypts and decompresses PAZ archives to access game assets for analysis or modding within game license terms. Next, browsing with archive tools. Some PAZ archives may be readable with specialized game archive browsers like QuickBMS with appropriate scripts. Run QuickBMS with a Black Desert Online script to extract files. The community maintains scripts for various game versions, though Perl Abyss updates may break compatibility requiring updated scripts. Finally, respecting game terms. Always review Black Desert Online's terms of service before extracting and using PAZ archive contents. Perl Abyss prohibits certain modifications and asset usage. Use extracted content only for permitted purposes like personal study or sanctioned community content, following the game's intellectual property guidelines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.